in history. And we have to be, we as Muslims in Holland or in Germany or everywhere, we have to be strong personality. And every strong personality in history has one common attribute or characteristic, that they have their aim and they're working for the aim and they're never giving up. They will never give up, you know. They will always try to do what they want to do. Right? And our aim, as I told you before, is to bring this message, a message of Islam, into every house in Germany. And for this, you know, we are right now, we are quite happy. We are quite happy because now the media, they're helping us. Yes. Because we want to reach every house. And, you know, for example, when we are in RTL, millions of people are looking at this program. And, you know, we are at least giving some words, you know, some words like, who will not, that we give them the message that Islam is the only true religion, and whoever dies and he's on another religion or he's not Muslim, that he will be for eternity in hellfire. Yes. So they are helping us actually in promoting Islam. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. And now, as before, we try to use the media for our goal.
أيوة. Sen tercüme et. يترجم الآن إن شاء الله.
Op dit moment de problemen die jullie ondervinden. En hij zei eigenlijk, hij zegt of Abla vroeg ook van waar zijn jullie nu mee bezig? Wat zijn jullie doelen in Duitsland? En hij zegt ook, het enige doel dat wij hebben is om de mensen proberen te redden van het vuur en ze te vertellen over de islam. Hij zegt, we hebben absoluut niet het doel om Duitsland te veroveren of om daar als geldende wet de islam te brengen. Hij zegt nee, hij zegt we hebben een doel om de mensen over de islam te vertellen. En hij zegt ook, dit moeten de moslims leren, dat als je een doel hebt, dat je dan moet doorzetten en nooit moet opgeven. Hij zegt, dit is wat wij doen en we proberen altijd de mensen de islam te verkondigen, de islam elke huis eigenlijk binnen te laten treden. En hij zegt, ook als de media misschien tegen ons, hij zegt, maar wij proberen daarentegen ook de media te gebruiken om de islam eigenlijk te vertellen en verwarringen die bestaan over de islam uit de wereld te helpen. En dat is ons doel en we hebben geen ander doel buiten dat.
We have in Holland Geert Wilders, as you know, and these last days we see. You can understand me?
Yes, I hear you very good.
Okay, we have in Holland Geert Wilders, and he's also talking about Islam. What is your message to the Muslims here in Holland?
Yes, my message is for the Muslims in Holland and everywhere that you must not hide. You know, in Holland and everywhere, there are different people. You know, there are people with an open heart for Islam and people who are stubborn against Islam, shayateen, you know. But the problem is we never know who is the shaitan and who will at the end enter Islam or be at least not against the Muslims like this. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Yasin, إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب. And that means you can only warn the one who fears Allah in the ghaib, you know, in the unseen, you know. But we don't know who is fearing Allah in his heart. Sometimes a person seems to be far away from Islam, like Umar al-Khattab. He was a big enemy of Islam, but at the end he entered Islam. And some other people, they seem to be very near to Islam, like Abu Talib, but at the end he died as a kafir. So we have to try our best to use this agitation from Pierre Vogel right now to talk to the people. So I tell you, your obligation is to bring the Islam out of your houses and out of the mosques to the streets. You know, next week we have an open air lecture in Wiesbaden. And I invite also all the people from Holland to come to us. people, Pierre Vogel and all these hate preachers, they are using the fear of the people. It's the same agitation as it was in Germany in the time of Hitler against the Jews. It's the same kind of agitation.
Yes.
You know, they try to use this kind of fear. At this time, they were saying, you know, the Jews, they want to conquer Germany. The Jews, they want to do this, and the Jews are like that. You know, right now they're doing the same with the Muslims, because you have to know why the agitation is going on like this right now. It's a good sign for us, because we as Muslims, we are now able to change something in the society. If we were not able to change something in the society, they would not care, but now they know the Muslims can change something. So they try to begin. Because problems with Muslim youngsters were there 20 years ago, but nobody was talking about it like now. But now they're talking about this because they know if the Muslims stay in Europe in 20 years, the Muslims will have a big impact in society. And after 50 years, you know, they will maybe be the majority. And this is why they are afraid. You know, they are afraid from this demographic that the Muslims are getting more children than the non-Muslims. And secondly, they are afraid from Islam, from the true teaching of Islam. Because a Turkish or a Moroccan Muslim who's not practicing Islam, who is the same like a non-Muslim, they don't care about him. They care about the people who try to give the message and try to live the message. But what I tell you, we have to influence the people. Yes, influencing the people by going to the people, by talking to the people. So we have to look. There are hard, as I told you before, against Islam, and there are hard people who maybe be Muslims tomorrow. So we have to try to find this heart. So we have to go to the people and to talk to them. Go to the streets, take some flyers. Every week in your mosque, make an open day for non-Muslims to come into your mosque and invite them. For example, you make flyers with your address and a special topic. For example, what's the purpose of life? And you invite all the people to the mosque, because every time you invite the people, there will be at least one who comes nearer to Islam, or maybe enters Islam. And this is what I see important. We must stop. The problem is a lot of Muslims think when they hear the agitation, they make a big mistake. They say, be quiet. Don't say anything. Don't say, that's wrong. If you would see a woman and a man, and the woman is insulting the man and is saying, you know, you beat me up, and you do this, and you steal, you're stealing, and you're making, and the man is just smiling, you will believe that the woman is right. But if the man says to the woman, what are you talking about? You're lying. You will say, oh, maybe the man is right, or maybe the woman is right. And that's the problem. We as Muslims, we mustn't hide. Islam is not only in the mosque, that you learn in the mosque the Arabic, or that you learn in the mosque the Aqidah. No. You have to bring the message out. That's the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sent Mu'adh ibn Jabal to the people. He said, إِنَّكَ لَتَهْدِي قَوْمًا إِلَىٰ أَهْلِ الْكِتَابِ فَلْيَقُلْ أَوَّلُ مَا تَدْعُوهُمْ إِلَيْهِ أَن يُوَحِّدُوا اللَّهَ. You come to people from Ahl Kitab. So the first you have to invite them to is a Tawheed. He didn't say, yes, maybe the people come to us and they can learn the Aqidah or the fiqh. No, you have to go to the people.
Inshallah. What's your message to Geert Wilders and the people who think like Geert Wilders?
To Geert Wilders, my message to Geert Wilders is asking them, I say to Geert Wilders, inform yourself better about Islam, because if you die today or tonight, in your situation, you will be for eternity in hellfire. And you will get a chastisement that's unlike any chastisement you can even imagine. So I give you and all your people, I give you the advice to inform yourself about Islam and to accept Islam before you die. because if you die, you will go to hell for eternity. If you don't accept Islam, before you die, you will go to hell for eternity. That's my message for him.
طيب, what's your message to the Dutch people?
Yes, my message to the Dutch people, to the non-Muslim Dutch people, it's that you should not hear to such agitators like Pierre Vogel, because if they know the history, it's almost the same agitation as it was in Germany at the time of Hitler. Almost the same words, the same style, the same agitation. And the Jews in this time were more integrated into the German society than the Muslims are right now into the Dutch or into the German society. But this agitation works always. If you because this instinct, fear is a big instinct in the heart of the human being. And if you make the people scared, they are able to do everything. They are willing to do everything because they are scared. And now a lot of people are scared because of Islam. So don't get to hear what Pierre Vogel is talking about. Go to your neighbor, and you have to know that not every Muslim is practicing Islam. There are a lot of people, a lot of criminals. They have nothing to do with Islam. They have only Islamic names. This is not Islam. If you want to know what Islam is, don't hear what Pierre Vogel is talking, and don't hear what for example, some Muslims are doing, but go to a mosque where people are practicing Islam, and they have the Quran, and they can give you proof from the Quran or from the Sunnah what Islam really is. And of course, also for the Dutch people, I give you also the advice to inform yourself about Islam and to accept Islam as a true religion and to enter the fold of Islam to rescue yourself with the permission of Almighty God from the hellfire and to enter paradise.
Okay, thank you, my dear brother. We love you here in Holland.
Yes, I'm very happy, that you call me, and I would like, now I'm tired because I was in a lecture right now, but I really would like to go to you and to share with you some information, and we are all brothers, and Europe is one country actually, and believe me, it's now victory or getting killed. That's really what I believe. If the agitation continues like now, and we Muslims are not doing anything about it, they will kill us. That's why I believe, the agitation against the Jews began also like this.
Yes.
So it's our obligation now to do everything what we can do.
أيوة.
Okay, my friend.
طيب.
I love you also for Allah. May the one who love you for whom you love me.
بارك الله فيك. طيب. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Aleyküm selam ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Hocam, Pierre kardeşle de bir konuşmamız oldu. Tabii bu konuşmadan sonra zannediyorum Pierre kardeş bize bu İslam fobisinden söz etti ve Geert Wilders'e ve Hollandalılara bazı mesajlar verdi. Şimdi biz Almanya'ya dönelim hocam isterseniz. Şu an Pierre kardeşin de ifade ettiği gibi bir takım medya olabilir, bir takım insanlar sizlerle uğraşmakta. Açıkçası böyle söyleyelim. Biz bunu görüyoruz. Bize yansıyan bu. Ve anti propaganda yapılmakta. Sizleri öcü göstermekteler. Biz bunu görüyoruz. Sokak diliyle söyleyecek olursak. Bu konu hakkında ne diyeceksiniz hocam? Yaşadıklarınızı bizlerle paylaşın.
Şu anda
inşallah.
bizlerle uğraşan sadece medya değil, dediğiniz gibi resmi makamlar ve bunun yanında ayrıyeten ırkçı gruplar ve partiler bizim hakkımızda 24 saat yayın yapmaktalar.